How to recover lost contacts from iCloud on iPhone. If you've lost your contacts on your iPhone, follow these simple steps to recover them from iCloud. First, make sure your contacts are syncing with iCloud. Open the Settings app. Tap your Apple ID at the top. Select iCloud. Tap See All under Save to iCloud. Find Contacts and make sure the toggle is turned on. If it's already enabled, your contacts are being synced with iCloud. To restore deleted contacts, open a web browser and go to iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID. Scroll to the bottom of the page and select Data Recovery. Click Restore Contacts. You'll see a list of available contact archives. Choose the archive you want to restore. Click Restore, then confirm your choice. Wait a few minutes while iCloud restores your contacts across all your Apple devices. That's it. You've successfully learned how to recover lost contacts from iCloud on your iPhone. Also, if you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and troubleshooting guides.